Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Earfleek. So if you're not familiar, Earfleek is a monthly jewelry subscription box. They send you a pair of earrings each month for just $3.49. There was a coupon code for half off. If that's still active, I'll put that down below for you guys. So it says right here, a girl should be two things: classy and fabulous. Coco Chanel. So when they reached out to me, they're like, hey, do you want a review for us? I'm like, absolutely. I think Nicole actually did an Earfleek review already. I thought they would send one. I got all these, and I feel like there might have been another one. I have to go look down on my bin of items. But, so there's 3 pairs of earrings, so we'll look. Now, I don't know if everybody gets the same ones. If these may very well be the same, maybe the ones for giveaway. I'm not sure. So we're going to find out together. They could be different. I don't know if everybody gets different. How exactly that, that all goes. So we're going to open. Love in Paris by Earfleek. Oh, it's a perfume sample? That's interesting. I didn't know they did perfume. Okay. So it says here, hey girl. Oh, look, and there's a coupon off, 15% off your first box of Angel Shave Club. Have we reviewed them? I know that, no, that was All Girl Shave Club. I have heard of them before. They also, I think this company also does Ivory Clasp, I do believe. Here's a fun pair of earrings personally selected just for you. So I think you fill out like a little style survey, and if you're interested in knowing more, I'll link down below to the full blog review where I'll go in depth and stuff. I'll also link to Earfleek so you can check them out. Free Tiffany & Company earrings, one drawing. Oh, so you can enter to win free Tiffany earrings. Here's this. And then here are our earrings. Oh, here. Kick back, relax, and check out some new music. Oh, there's a free music down there. All sorts of little goodies in this one, right? Okay, so let's see our earrings. So there's also 2 little hair ties, which are cute. My daughters will like those. It's cute. And then here are the actual earrings. So these look... They come in like this really sterile kind of package. I kind of like that a lot. And then look how they come. Isn't that neat? So they're like connected so you can't lose them in transit. They're little cameras. Oh my goodness, look guys. Ah, look at that one. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love those. Oh my goodness, golly. All right, so that's our first package. Let's see if they're all the same or they're all different or what. Usually when you get more than one, it's just a way to give you an idea of what comes in a package. So I'm going to put this away so I don't mix them up. And don't mind my bed. I'm like sorting through all of it. With 4 kids, when Christmas comes, gift like organizing, putting it away. I'm even just with 1 kid, but with 4... we're still like putting it, well, because we were traveling too, so you guys know that. So putting it away, finding spots for it, getting rid of some stuff to make room, or just, it's exhausting, it's taxing. Okay, so next package. I have little tickles. So it's the same, the card. And then it is different earrings. I can see the same music. A hair tie. There. That's so cute. Oh, how pretty are these? Ooh, I'm excited to show you guys these. Oh, my baby. Look at those danglies. Oh, so fancy. It's almost like a mother of pearl type of material. I'm not sure exactly what you call that. And then there's like 3 little gemstones up here. Those are beautiful. Ooh, I like those. I don't know which ones I like more. All right. So, let's put this one away so we don't mix it up. This is just me being like over the top and kind of... annoyingly togetherness. Okay, and so then finally we have final package, which we're going to find out what's in here. All right, so it's the same like the card. This one has $30 credit towards Bright Sellers. The card, here's a fun pair of earrings selected for you. A hair tie, one hair tie in this one. This one's bright yellow. They're all different, that's so cool. And these, look at these. These would have been great for Christmas, darn it. Because they're not like too Christmassy, but they're just Christmassy enough, you know? A green circle with a star at the end. Those are really cool. I love the geometry to those. So those are completely wooden. Yeah, those are just wood. Isn't that neat? I love it. So that is everything that I received in my Earfleek. Super cute. Love the subscription. It's only $3.49 a month. If you're interested in an inexpensive, fun jewelry subscription, this is definitely one you want to look at or look into. If you're interested, I'll link down below to my full blog review. I'll also link to Earfleek as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.